The pandemic continues to have strong impacts on the serious topic of substance abuse and misuse.
It's pushed Milwaukee County leaders to focus even more attention on this issue. CBS 58's Victor Jacobo joins us live in Milwaukee with what was shared today. Victor?
That's right, Mike. The rise in overdose deaths since the pandemic began is pushing county leaders to remind the public of the efforts and resources available to help combat the substance abuse epidemic.
We've seen an alarming increase in overdose deaths.
During a Milwaukee County Mental Health Board meeting today, County Executive David Crowley discussed the effects of the pandemic and how it has led to an increase in overdose deaths.
Because of this pandemic, because so many people have been isolated, many people have not been able to have that physical interaction with somebody that we know is going to love on them and help them through this difficult time. We're seeing these types of increases.
This year is not yet matching 2020 in the number of overdose deaths, but more than 100 deaths remain pending further testing. Crowley says the county is prioritizing CARES Act funding for prevention efforts, as well as putting efforts into public service announcement campaigns. The hope is that reminding people of the services the county has will help bring overdose numbers down.
On the ground roots, we really do need to push prevention and push recovery and push programming to help these individuals into care.
Alexandria Cohn of the Milwaukee County Substance Abuse Prevention Coalition applauded the county's efforts. Cohn recognizes the state is opening up after the pandemic, but cautions the pandemic's effects on addiction and substance abuse remain a concern.
So I think we got to keep in mind that we don't know the lasting impact of the pandemic and that we have to be aware and almost ready in case those cases go up of overdoses or use and misuse.
Now, if you or someone you know is in need of resources to combat substance abuse or misuse, we'll have some of those resources that you can use for here in Milwaukee County on our website, cbs58.com. Now reporting live in Milwaukee, Victor Jacobo, CBS 58 News.